MobMan is an exciting new project funded by the European Commission through the Erasmus programme. In this video, we're going to learn how to use the data tables that allow you to enter and manage information. Open the MobMan platform software and use your username and password to log in. You can add information in 11 data tables: accommodation, contacts, home employer, host company, host organisation, language school, post mobility, project, trainees, sending organisation and work placement. Each data table is divided into subsections. You can use the search bar or search filter to find specific information in each data table. Some sections have extra functions. For example, in the project data table, you can link a project to a sending organisation and add grants. There are two ways to add data into a table. To add data manually, just click on Add. Be careful. You need to regularly click on Save, or Save and add another, or Save and continue editing, because there's no automatic backup at this stage. Secondly, you can import data directly from an existing data source. Here are the supported formats. Be careful. The column names of the source material have to match the names in the data table. You can download MobMan templates for this. To import data into a data table, click on Submit. Please note that you cannot import data if you haven't first added some data into a data table manually. An empty data table looks like this. You can also export data. It's really simple. You just click on Export from one of the data tables and then save in the format you choose. When you've watched this video, you can have a go at an interactive learning activity using a fictional trainee and host company. This will help you to get a fun, hands-on experience of the platform. When you've finished, you can then check your results with answers prepared by the MobMan team. If you have any additional questions, you can refer to the FAQ user guide and download an interactive PDF version from the platform or the website. You can also contact the MobMan partners by email via the forum section of the website. This is like asking a trainer questions when you need help. To use the platform, you just need to go to the MobMan website, register, and then download the software. Simple. All individuals and organisations that use the MobMan platform need to set up a clear policy for data protection in line with the requirements of GDPR. Good luck and have fun playing with the MobMan platform.